All right, so I just cut out my first piece of my Simplicity DC Bombshell Stargirl costume with my Wonder Cutter. You see there's a little button here on the side. You want to push it and then actually starts to vibrate the blade super duper fast and with a lot of speed. So you want to make sure that you don't put your finger near the blade, obviously, and safety first. If you're cutting anything that's a little more intense than fabric, I would say definitely wear some goggles when using it. And there's a slight vibration and a little noise just to tell you that it's working, but that seems to be okay. All right, so I used the device to cut out. I'm going to return it to its little home here first. Oh. So I used it to cut out this first piece, and I pushed maybe a little harder than I would push pressure-wise when writing something, and it actually did a pretty good job cutting through 2 layers of fabric here, as you can see with my pattern. You do want to obviously use this on a cutting board because you will be cutting it. And I could probably use a little less pressure because I can see I've cut a couple lines into my cutting board, but that's not a big deal. But it has gone through every layer of the fabric pretty neatly. I will be back to show you more once all of this is cut, but basically just a little tutorial here. You just take the cutter in your hand and push the button. It'll be green and show you that it's on, and then you just go down and trace out your pattern line. So I'll show you that it like cuts right through just like butter. So yeah, I think this is pretty nifty tool. So right now it's fabric approved. We'll be back trying other items as I continue building my Stargirl costume, including her staff, which we'll be using foam and plastics and thermoplastics. So yeah, thanks to the guys at Micromark for this awesome little cutting tool, and we'll see what else we can have her do.